Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken leg piece fry. Start by trimming excess fat and patting each piece dry, then season evenly with salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. Toss with 1 tablespoon oil and let rest while you heat the pan. Aim for medium-high heat so the skin crisps without burning. Cook each side 8 to 10 minutes until internal temperature reaches 165 degrees F, then rest and serve. Begin by trimming and drying each chicken leg piece, which helps the skin crisp up beautifully. Mix spices and 1 tablespoon oil, then coat each piece thoroughly and marinate at least 30 minutes. If you have time, marinate overnight for deeper flavor. Before frying, let the chicken sit at room temperature for about 15 minutes to prevent cold centers. These simple prep steps make a big difference in texture and taste. Heat a heavy skillet until shimmering, then add a thin layer of oil and place chicken skin side down to render fat and crisp the skin. Maintain medium-high heat so the exterior browns in 8 to 10 minutes without burning. Flip and reduce heat, covering briefly to finish cooking through. Always verify an internal temperature of 165 degrees F and let the pieces rest 5 minutes before serving to lock in juices and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.